What is up, my beauties? Welcome back to my channel. We are getting into another makeup look. As you guys can see today, I did create this fierce look for you guys. This is the 353 Fierce by Nature palette by Morphe. I recently did purchase this from Ulta, so I did want to get into it, you know, and really give it off and emphasize this fierce palette. So we are going into this first shade. It is called In Command, and we're blending that into our crease. So we're more doing a winged cut crease, so we're going to be blending that color out into the edges of our eye. And as you beauties can see, I did as well put tape on my outer eye so I could make sure that the line was precise. And then the next color we're getting into that Red Alert Red Alert shade. And we're blending that in above where we just put In Command. The next shade that we are getting into is Unstoppable. It's more of like a bright pink shade, so we're popping that right on top of where we put Red Alert, and we're just blending all three of these colors together so we can get this beautiful red, fiery, fierce wing over here, okay? The next shade that we're getting into is Ball of Fire. It's more of a like a bright orange color, and we're popping that right on top of all where we put all of these shades, and we're just buffing that out and trying to blend it to our best of ability. Next, you guys, I am cutting my crease with my Ulta concealer brush. I am using it as a flat concealer brush that I did purchase for $10. And then I'm just basically cutting the crease, emphasizing that wing right there as well, as you guys can see. And then the next color that we are getting into, it is called Smolder. It's a beautiful shimmery, kind of like golden eyeshadow. It's a very beautiful shimmer. It does give off those fiery vibes, so I did want to incorporate that into this look as well. The next shade that we're getting into is Stun Wild. This is more of I think a little bit more of a darker orange than that one, and it also is a shimmer shade. So I did want to blend these two colors together to get, you know, that fiery type of feel to this look. And then we're going into this Milani Conceal and Perfect, and we are about to basically use this concealer as if we're doing a winged liner. So we're just gonna use it. I'm using a very fine lined brush. I did purchase that from Michael's craft store. If you guys do want to snag it, I got about 4 of those. And then I am going into my HD Neon Pigments by Dozero Cosmetics. I am taking that bright, beautiful orange shade, and I'm using that for my outer wing. So we're just gonna start packing that on. And as you guys can see, I'm getting into some glitter beauties, okay? So we're gonna make this look pop and be very vibrant. And we're also going into this NYX glitter. I usually do pop this on as well before I'm about to put on the glitter, so it sticks and it just makes this look. You guys are just gonna see this all come together. And then with that same angled liner brush, I am popping that sparkle on of that glitter, and I'm just popping it on top of where I put that orange neon pigment. And I'm also doing the same thing, beauties. I'm going in with my HD Neon Pigment. This is in the bright yellow shade, and I'm popping that on. For some reason, I didn't get the footage of me putting on the glitter, but I do put on the glitter on top as well. But you just basically line it, you guys, just like if you were doing a wing liner, just packing it on, and then you're gonna put on that glue and then pop on that glitter, girl, and you're gonna shine bright like a diamond, okay? Next, I'm getting into these garter lashes. I believe this is by the Triple Push-Up collection by Kiss. I did really like these lashes. They give a very natural feel to your look, and it also does look very natural, but also very glamorous as well. Now we're getting into this Wet n Wild primer. As you guys can see me use in my previous videos, this is the rose one. I have previously tried the coconut ones in my other videos, and I really did like this primer. It is a water drop primer. I would recommend it to you guys. It is very affordable and it gets the job done, so I really do enjoy that product. And you guys always been seeing the rave about the Juvia's Place. You know, I gotta go in with this full coverage, beauties. And we're just about to take my beauty blender and we're gonna blend all that beautiful full coverage out, okay, ladies? And like I said, you guys, I fell in love with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation since I have purchased it. I love this foundation. I would highly recommend it to you guys. It is definitely a little more pricier. It is affordable though, affordable way more than other foundations, so I would recommend it to you guys. And I'm going with my Milani Conceal and Perfect, and I'm just, you know, putting it on the basic spots where we do our highlight, you know, our more lighter places under the eye, on the bridge of our nose, our forehead, under our chin, all those places. And now I am also setting this concealer with my Banana Luxury Baking Powder by Makeup Revolution. You guys, I don't even show it anymore because the label is so worn off. Like, it's not even funny. Like, I just keep using it, but the label is so worn off. But you guys know what I be using in my videos. And then I'm going into this NYX Wonder Stick and I am contouring out the face. Beauties, we're about to get this carved out. We're about to look like a sculpture today, okay? So we're just, you know, doing the basic parts, you know, doing our little cheekbone and our upper, you know, temples around our jawline so we can get all carved out, okay, beauties? And also comment down below your guys' favorite contour. And if you guys are still watching this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to, you know, give love to your girl. If you are enjoying my videos, subscribe, girl, so you can get that notification when my next video is coming out. And also comment down below on any other looks you guys want to see from me as well. And I also am just using my Eco Tools brush, you guys. It's just more of like a round head brush. And I'm just basically, you know, carving that face out, beauties. And then this is also another recent product I did purchase. This is the Makeup Revolution Highlight Reloaded Highlight, and I think it's in Dare to Divulge. And then I really did like it. It gives you a very beautiful glistening highlight, ladies. Like, I would recommend this highlighter. It is very affordable. I think I did purchase it for like $7. But I really like Makeup Revolution. And ladies, you guys see that from that little, you know, fan brush, and you know, we're gonna spray on a little extra, you know, setting spray. So we're gonna make this highlight pop today, ladies. We're gonna be glowing to the gods. And you guys do see that this highlight does give you a very beautiful, I mean, if you want to do it more natural, you know, less layers. If you guys want to be going all out and glammy like me, you know, put on a few more layers and some of that setting spray, and girl, you gonna glow. You gonna glow like like to the gods, like you guys hear me say all the time. Like, look at that, beauties. That is amazing. And also, you guys, I did top this with my Wet n Wild because you guys, you know, your girl loves some glow. I topped it with my Wet n Wild highlight, so it did give it that beautiful, you know, glistening glow. And then I'm going with my NYX liner, and then I'm just lining my eyes underneath so we can get more of a depth of this fierce look over here. And also, we are also going to go in with the same pigments that we did use on top of our eye for our winged upper cut crease liner over there. And we're just gonna put those same shades on the bottom and blend out so we can get this fierce red, beautiful, rich color. I'm just, you know, putting on a little bit of mascara on my under eyelashes, you know, getting it all set up, beauties. And And then I am going in with my Lorac Cosmetics. I think it is in Siren Temptress. It is a very beautiful, rich red shade. I do love this color if I want to, wear a red lip. This is always my little, go-to red lip. I don't wear a red lip a lot. I do like more nudes and more like dark browns or darker colors, but this is a beautiful red lip, you guys. I would highly recommend it to you guys. And this is the finished and completed look, my beauties. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and thank you so much for staying tuned into my videos, beauties, and I will catch you guys on my next upload. I love you.